All right. Hey, everybody. RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, it's been a week or two. And we're still working in the yard. Still trying to get things done. Well, this morning, I got up. I decided I was going to dig a hole to do the fire hydrant. So I dug the hole. Set a bag of concrete over there with Gianni. And yesterday, Gianni and I played with this little area here. As you can see, I'm kind of digging it out, putting the dirt over here. And this is going to be you're going to go out here to see where that little rock is on the road. It's really a big dirt boulder. That's going to be filled in. Let's kind of show you. That's going to get filled in here. And we're going to have a little kind of mound of hill. But from that rock all the way over, and then we're going to go this way with the pole barn. But I just figured I'd spend a couple hours out there doing that, and then the pole barn's going to go out here this next spring. Guy over there is building his pole barn. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go strap the fire hydrant to Johnny, and we're going to implant the fire hydrant. So come join me. I'm lucky with the 2018 design of John Deere. They tip this ROPS forward, and it fits in and out of my garage really good because I don't pay attention to it, and it's nice that it fits and it works. So the fire hydrant is better than 300 pounds for sure. So we'll see what Gianni can pick up here. All right. So, oh yeah, still got them critters, man. Look right here. See, they're still trying to dig. They're still trying to make a living on my yard, so we've got to stop that. I actually dug it deeper and had to put more dirt in it because I think it's just too deep for the fire hydrant. So we'll place it, and then we'll put the concrete around it, and then we'll wet the concrete down. That's how we do it here in Oregon, at least on fence post. I've never had an issue, and that's how we're going to do this. Got to come forward a little bit. Well, you can see what a dust storm that thing makes, right? So I saw some critter holes. I just wanted to cover those up. But here we are with this.
Got to put more dirt in it?
No, I did. It's done.
Want me to hold it while you put in the...
No.
How are you going to make it stand up?
Got to put concrete around it.
So his little face needs to point at the door if he can.
Pretty close. I'll get it.
Oh my God, that's freaking heavy.
Okay. We'll let the dogs around it.
I'm going to get a bag and put it up there.
Alright guys, sorry about the dust. It's about where she's going to sit, about the height she's going to sit. Now I'm going to put some concrete around it and water it in. Alright, so fire hydrant's in. It'll be set by tomorrow morning. And I gotta take the tooth bar off of Johnny. I'm gonna pull some of this away. I gotta fill this void in here where there's not enough dirt. But yeah, that's it. Johnny did a good job helping me out because, like I said, that thing is very heavy. The bag of concrete was nothing compared to that thing. I mean, absolutely nothing compared to putting that in. All right, so she's installed and looks good. So again, I want to thank my cousin for getting me the fire hydrant. It's pretty cool. And I think after all's been said and done, Laura found a picture on the web of it being painted like a Dalmatian or a dog, and I think she's going to repaint it like a dog. So I'm going to rinse the rest of it off and clean it up a little bit, because it's been sitting for a couple of months now, 3 months for sure. And we're gonna let her paint it sometime, who knows when, because we got so many other projects on the table. I just wanted to share this video with you guys, show you how you install a doggy fire hydrant. Dogs are out playing here. So thanks for joining me, and we'll catch you again next time. Bye for now.
To like, share, and subscribe, click the logo to the left.